In this section of the video, we will guide you through the process of registering an existing account on the eShop. If you are an existing Afrox customer, you can register for Afrox eShop as follows. Visit the Afrox eShop and click on Sign in Register. Click on Register and choose Existing Customer. Find your existing Afrox account by searching according to the documents you have on hand. Depending on the access you require, select the relevant option. Enter your account number with a corresponding document number. Once your account details appear on the screen, select the tick box to continue. You'll need to complete the personal details. Mandatory fields are marked with an asterisk. Add your desired username and password for your online account. You can also choose whether or not to receive monthly emails from Afrox or reminder emails from Afrox. Ensure to accept the terms and conditions before clicking the Open Afrox Account button. You will be presented with a confirmation screen, and you can click on the Go to My Account button to start shopping online with Afrox eShop.